Would you like to have another use for your DeWalt 20-volt batteries? Well, never get caught again in a blackout with this instant portable AC power device. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how this works. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Hisecren 220-watt portable power inverter and 3 things you need to know about this. And this is an interesting device. This was not something initially on my radar, but I was approached by a company that makes compatible batteries for the DeWalt system, and that's what got me looking at all this. And 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to use when purchasing this item. Thing number 1, this comes with 2, not 1, but 2 PD 3.1, that's power delivery, version 3.1, 140 watt Type-C ports, and 1 USB-A quick charge 18 watt port. That's not bad for a little device. This is not a huge device by any means. Thing number 2, LED work light. This includes built-in a 700 lumen LED with adjustable brightness levels. That's 25, 50%, and 100%. A strobe mode, which is handy for getting somebody's attention, or it also has SOS. Now, the SOS one might only mean something to somebody that's got a radio background. You keep that all in mind, but it would at least serve as an attention getter. You can charge the DeWalt battery through the designated USB port or via the DeWalt Charger. Take a look at this device and think about getting one today, especially during certain times of the year when you have tornadoes, hurricanes, bad weather, or if your power goes out frequently. This is a handy device to use and to have on hand, because especially when you may need to make sure you can get around the house safely with no power at night. If your air conditioner goes out, there's a fan option available. There's a whole host of accessories, but it's mainly for the DeWalt batteries. I've not seen other devices like this for the non-DeWalt batteries. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.